The POW function in C does exponentiation. POW is in the math.h header file, so we will hash include math.h. We will also want to print out our answer, so let's hash include stdio.h. POW returns a double, so for our answer we will start out with regular exponents and do double ants equals POW of 2 and 3. Let's print that answer out, so printf double quotes %f for a double, then we printf ants. If we run this code, we get the answer 8, meaning 2 to the third is 8. Let's now do negative exponents. If we do 2 negative 3, that is the same as doing 1 over 2 to the third. If we run this code, we get the answer as 1/8. Finally, we'll do fractional exponents, which do nth roots. If we do POW of 8 and 1.0 divided by 3, that is the same thing as doing the third root of 8. If we run this code, we get the answer as 2. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.